Hey everyone, we're on our way to Multnomah Falls, Multnomah. How do you say it? Multnomah Falls is how I say it, but I don't think that's the right way to say it though. I have never been here. I thought I had been, but I haven't. So we're gonna go check it out. This drive's been gorgeous the whole way, of course. It's Oregon, Western Oregon. This is what it looks like, you know. You can see the water over to the left. There's a big old lake right there. Yeah, I'm digging it.
You will be required to make a reservation online. So just put in the name of the waterfall, reserve tickets in Google, and it will take you to their website, and you just pay $1, show the barcode to gain entry. While there, they have bathrooms, food, coffee, visitor center, a gift shop, pretty good milkshakes also. So just be careful that you don't spend a ton of money, because you know how it can get expensive at these type of places. So anyway, good luck, and it was a good value, especially for just $1.
Just wanted to take Is this? Yeah. Oh, right. We're also looking at braces and
Now, the hike up to the first part where you saw the bridge is not that difficult. I, however, would warn people, if you have any health issues or any type of disabilities that makes mobility very difficult for you, be careful of the latter part of the hike past the first bridge. It is a fairly difficult hike. I want to say it was 2 or 3 miles to the top according to my Apple Watch, but it's also gravelly. It's sand in places, not sand, excuse me, like dirt and rocks. There's trip hazards here and there. Many people were doing it. There were kids. I would say though, but you can stop at different areas and like rest. So that is a good thing. I would say it's not, you can't use mobility equipment like a wheelchair or a mobility chair during this hike up this part. However, I did see a elevator, and I'm willing to bet the elevator is for people, you know, that want to see the top or certain parts of the falls. They can take that instead if they have mobility issues. But be very careful. I saw people up there with their children, but I'm not talking like 10, 12-year-old children. I'm talking more so like one family had their, looked like the child was only like 3 years old or so, like running out in front of them, coming down this hill and off to the side. I don't know if you could really see in the GoPro, certain areas didn't have anything like protecting you. You could fall off, and it is really far down, or you'd be really hurt. And I was like, as a dad, my own apprehension, seeing this kid just running in front of them, you could trip or anything. I said, oh my God, and I just couldn't do it with my own child. Beyond that, everyone was fairly nice. Only had one issue going up, getting to the latter parts of the hike was one lady in front of me, and her son kept stopping in front of me and like messing around. And the reality is, okay, you obviously know I'm just trying to pass you. If it was me, I would have moved off to the side, but they would just stop abruptly right in front of me at the last part of the hike. But beyond that, once I got around them, it was good. It was just, you know, some people just don't have any self-awareness, you know. But yeah, getting back to it though, as you can see right here in the footage, there is actually no like rope or anything, so someone could slip off. So it's fairly challenging, and I think that day it was a little more difficult because it was in the 90s. Even though it's cool up here, once you hit the sun, like these areas, you really felt the workout and stuff. And my shirt was soaked, but it's a great hike if you're able to do it. And I saw people of all ages doing this hike. Anyway, I hope this helps someone. Apologize for not breathing. It was a hike. I wasn't expecting so. But out of the way. Luckily I got the right shoes this time though. As you saw in the other footage, the hike itself, you hike all the way up and then you hike down, and you can actually put your feet and everything in the waterfall, in the pool, like at the waterfall up at the top kind of. And there was tons of people doing that. So you can actually do that, which is pretty cool. But you'll hike up and then hike down some, and then hike up it's just a little bit down, not too bad. And then hike back up, and then it's all downhill from there. Just be careful though when you're going down, so you don't slip or anything with momentum and everything. Just be mindful of your, what you're doing, especially up here but it was pretty fun. I recommend it, going there and checking it out. I think it's great. You can see the beautiful scenery too. It's so beautiful there, everyone. I think a lot of people would really enjoy it. I would try to get there earlier than I did, even though I got there around 10:30. I would have probably tried to get there when they're open, so it's even a lot more cooler.